It's from Leo.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. The Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. What?
It's Leo. He mailed us something.
All right, open it up. Let's see what's in there.
Looks like Polaroid
and a VHS tape.
VHS.
What's it say?
To whom it may concern, I am writing you this letter from the year 1985. I have a small 4-year-old boy with me named Leo, who says he is my son. I am only 14. You don't have a son, and my name is not James. It is Ralph. Anyway, he says he is from the future. Enclosed, find a VHS tape and some Polaroids to explain further. Ralph. You're a hoarder. You must have a VHS player somewhere.
I think I do.
From 1985.
I'm in an arcade. It's 1985. On my way to the dinosaurs, my time machine broke down. Everyone thinks my time machine is a change machine. I'm going to show how to make 1980s sunglasses like these. I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to send you some pictures to the future from my new cool camera. My teenage dad is helping me. You can make your own design, or you could use the one I'm using. Cut out the design using scissors, then paint them. When it dries up, then you will be able to put it on.
Use cardboard or a cereal box. Glue the pieces together. And you can use colored filters for the lenses.
I'm now ready to explore the eggs.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.